The next step, once you configure the plan, the next step you will proceed with create benefit event. It acts as a reason. Okay, I will explain a basic one at first. Let's name it as we are going to test, right? I will call it as AMD Metro train ticket, train pass. What are all this benefit is even just with a reason. What is the reason you are assigning this plan to an employee? So here call your coverage type. Oh, coverage type is Metro, right? Sorry. Metro train pass. If you select prompt, you can see the coverage type. Under additional, you have Metro train pass. Would you like to allow employee to select this plan, or only benefit partner needs to be assigned this plan? If you enable this, employee is able to select self-service. If you disable this, only benefit partner able to select this plan. Benefit partner or admin able to assign this plan to an employee. Okay.
Okay.
So here, this is recently Workday has enabled this one. What happens is, if you're not giving, for example, okay, let me show one example, sir. I will explain. This is nothing but normally you can see event date. Whenever you're selecting this plan, worker is selecting, it will give event date. Some employees may not be aware what is event date. I want to give a proper, I want to make a proper sentence, something like effective date of your enrollment. Effective date of your plan enrollment. Instead of benefit event date, now it will give some meaningful order, meaningful message, so that that employee will be well aware. Oh, from this date onwards, the plan will be available. Okay, and then route to enrollments to benefit partner. This is a business process conditions. If you're creating something like you want to trigger some approvals, it's not approvals. Passive event rules when you're creating, this is required. We will talk about that. In future, if you want to inactivate this, you can inactivate this benefit event. Again, benefit event cannot be deleted if it is in use. So only you can inactivate it. So this USA is eligible only for USA employees, not for any other employees. I would like to restrict this event. Only let USA employees can view this. Okay. Reinstatement event, also please park this one. These are all falls under passive event. We will discuss. And then days to enroll based on the event date or initiation date. What is the difference? Initiation means today I'm entering the record is nothing but initiation. Event date means from when that employee should get this benefit plan is event date. Okay, so let me go with event date and days to enroll from the day one. Sorry, this is applicable to this. From day one plus 15 days. If I initiated this plan to an employee, I am giving 15 days time to the employee to choose this plan, whether they want to allow, they want to participate or they want to ignore. Time limit. Okay.
Okay.
Employee cannot report after days to enrolls. For example, on 60th day, employees realize he is not enrolled into the plan. He is not supposed to come back to the manager and say, it's a flag for us. Okay. Right. So apart from this, we do have few options. I request you hold this one. We are just discussing basics. Name of your event. What is the enrollment event offering you are giving? And I'm overriding the benefit event date to effective date of your plan enrollment. Restricted to country. And initiation date is 15 days plus 15 days. Select OK. Once you get the event, the next step is enrollment event rules, the most complex one. But at this in this session, we have a separate session on that. We will discuss just a overview. Okay, let's talk about enrollment event rule. Enrollment event rule is a centralized control of our benefit plans. Okay, we can access the task, edit, enrollment, or let's create our Okay, let's go with the existing one only. Only after ID if someone not configured properly, it will throw an error message. On the start or wave coverage, select the arrow button, call your event custom we have created, Metro. So what coverage type you want to offer? We have only one coverage type, so call that coverage type also here. Would you like to allow employees to wait certain days to be eligible for this plan? 60 days or probation is to be complete. Then you can give here. Remember, it should be days or months or weeks. If I select waiting period is 1 month, from the employee hire date, employee has to wait for a month. Okay, so I'm giving 0. And sometimes though you have given and you want to ignore the waiting period during open enrollment, you can select this checkbox, which means it's not going to look into this waiting period to bring all the employees from the hire date itself. So coverage, when you want to allow employees to select. For now, please go with on event date, which means whenever initiating the plan, on that date itself, the employee is eligible. We have drop down lot of options. We'll talk. It can be done in one session. So coverage, when do you want to start? Okay. Coverage should be on event date. Direction also should be on coverage begin date, which means first day itself. Sorry, let me select on coverage begin date. Okay, event date itself, the coverage be also will be started. In future, if you want to remove any benefit plans, here you have to configure. For now, it is not required. We'll discuss during data cleanup activity. To make it simple, this is to assign the plan. This is to default the plan. This is to remove the plan from the employee due to termination, death reasons, etc. And remaining 3 are Affordable Care Act, newly eligible, waiving, etc. Go to the last one, coverage rules. Sir, again, I'm requesting and repeating. We will talk in detail about these plans, this one in a separate session, 1 hour session. Select the enrollment event type, again, the same. And then coverage type, same, the one we created, Metro. Allowed benefit plan changes, can select any plan. Here we have options, we'll walk through all the options, don't worry. Dependents are not eligible, hence keep this as blank. Defaulting rules also we have some drop down. I am selecting the standard one. Default current elections, priority, coverage, or wait. Okay. I will walk through each and every option. Select OK.